Start by removing loose shards and large chunks so the space is safe to work in immediately. After tile removal, begin by removing large pieces by hand using heavy gloves and eye protection, placing broken tiles into strong contractor bags to reduce cutting hazards and prevent punctures. Next, use a stiff push broom to gather remaining fragments into small piles, working from the edges toward a center collection point so you do not resurface debris. For fine grit and dust, use a high-efficiency particulate vacuum or a shop vacuum with a fine dust filter and empty it outdoors after each use to avoid recirculating dust indoors. Mop all hard surfaces with a microfiber mop and warm water, rinsing frequently and changing the water when it becomes visibly dirty to capture residual grout dust that sweeping and vacuuming miss. If adhesive or thinset residue remains, soften it with a manufacturer-recommended chemical remover or a diluted vinegar solution for small areas. Then scrape gently with a floor scraper held at a low angle to avoid gouging the subfloor. Always ventilate the area by opening windows and running fans toward an exterior exit to protect indoor air quality, and consider a disposable N90 particulate mask when dust levels are high. Common mistakes start with skipping personal protection and getting cut or inhaling dust, which you avoid by using gloves, eye protection, and a proper free filter mask, and by ventilating the area. Another frequent error is using a household vacuum that clogs or releases fine dust back into the room, so use a shop vacuum with the right filter and empty it outdoors. People often toss heavy tile and mortar into regular trash where bags split and crews get injured. So double bag heavy pieces in contractor bags and take them to a designated construction and demolition disposal site or recycling center. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical project guidance related to post-demolition cleanup and tile removal. We host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips, ask questions, and post local recommendations to help both homeowners find trusted help and contractors find work.